Hi, this is Sara of SHA Wellness Mexico, and I am here at the beautiful medical wellness resort, SHA Mexico. And SHA has a long history in Spain, of course, and recently, in the last couple of years, opened here in Mexico, in Costa Mujeres, north of Cancun. And they're really offering a complete solution for anyone looking to focus on health, wellness, and longevity. You start the stay by doing diagnostic tests, so everything from body composition to memory and concentration to ECG to check your heart, and various other tests, also skin health, blood pressure, everything you can think of. And then from there, your program will be built. You can choose from a variety of different programs, or they can help you customize something. And there's just so many different wellness experiences to enjoy. I had a variety of experiences. I wanted to focus on performance, so I did the VO2 max test, which was really enlightening and will definitely help with my physical activity. And I did the energetic detox cure, which was a really wonderful, relaxing treatment that started with a hydro bath. So you're inside a bath with aromatherapy and jets working all over the body, and then you move to a second treatment room where you have a seaweed mask applied to the body, and you go into a dry flotation bed. So if you're floating, but you're wrapped, and that sensation of floating is so relaxing, and while the mask works, and you're getting also massaged by jets through the dry flotation bed. And then at the end, the mask is kind of power washed off with a very powerful hose jet, and it was just an incredible treatment. So that was definitely a highlight. The gym and fitness facilities are fantastic. I had a great personal training session. We tailored it to high rocks, which I'll be taking part in soon. So really the trainers are very knowledgeable in all different types of training to customize for each guest. And the hydrotherapy area of the spa is really excellent. So the sauna is incredibly hot, really an excellent quality and heat of the sauna. They have a lovely cold room with ice. They have a beautiful steam room, and also an infrared sauna and experienced showers. And then from there you can also use the hydrotherapy pool, which has a variety of incredible jets, including my 3 favorite, which is the half moon jet with the 6 nozzles, the gooseneck jet, and the underfloor jet for the feet, which was absolutely divine. So really a wonderful experience. They have a very icy cold plunge pool, and then you finish on the thermal lounges, and one of the attendants always seems to be on hand to give a 5-minute scalp massage while you're on the thermal lounges, which is just absolutely incredible. The food here is really tailored to the individual. You'll go through a nutrition consultation, and then they will tailor your diet to meet your needs with any different recommendations for supplements and things for you to do at home. And they also have the book, The Power of Healthy Food, which they have very kindly gifted to me, and I can't wait to start using some of their recipes. So thank you very much to SHA Wellness here in Mexico.